Hello students, welcome to MBK study. Today in this video I am going to start the new other chapter called acids, bases and salts. In this video I am going to explain you about introduction to acids, bases and salts, what are indicators, natural indicators, synthetic or artificial indicators and olfactory indicators. So students, without delay, let's start the topic. Introduction. What are acid and base? Acids. Acids are so to taste. Acid turns blue litmus to red. And acids conduct electricity. They are good conductors of electricity. Acids are of two types: organic acids and synthetic acid. Examples of organic acids are acetic acid present in vinegar, formic acid present in ant, citric acid it is present in lemon, lactic acid present in curd and so on. So many other are there. And examples of synthetic acids are hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid and so on. What are bases? Bases are bitter to taste, soapy to touch and turns red litmus to blue. Examples of bases: calcium hydroxide, it is present in lime water. Ammonium hydroxide is used as a glass cleaner. You will notice that the person suffering from problem of acidity take antacid syrup or Chewings tablets. What chemical reaction takes place? Neutralization reaction. See, our earth crust has a lot of millions of compounds. These compounds have some acids, some bases and some salts. How will you recognize acid and base? First of all, we'll learn to recognize them within this chapter. We have a lot of substances we cannot identify in a normal way. Why would it be acidic in nature? Why it would be basic in nature? Why it would be salt in nature? Indicators are needed to recognize acids and bases. What are indicators? Indicator means that who does the indicate whether it is acid or base. So first, to start this chapter, we need to study the indicator. What are indicators? If you say about indicator are those which identify whether the given substance are acid or base. Indicators are nothing but they are dyes which change its color in acidic and basic solutions. We have two types of indicators. One is natural indicator and other is synthetic indicator. The first, natural indicator and synthetic indicator. Apart from these two, there is another special indicator. We call it as olfactory indicator. These are considered special indicators. We'll study about that also. First, we'll talk about natural indicators and synthetic indicators. Now let's see what are natural indicators. As the name itself, it suggests natural indicators means nature. It means that occur naturally. So natural indicator, that is litmus paper or solution, we have, it comes from nature. The next one be your turmeric powder. The next one red cabbage. The next indicator hydrangea, that is a flower. Apart from this, there is also China rose, which is natural indicator. Mint is also a natural indicator. These are many indicators are there that we use, but most famous is what we use, that is a litmus, turmeric powder. A red cabbage is sometimes used. Let us first study about litmus paper or litmus solution. Litmus paper are of two different colors. One is blue and other is red. Blue litmus paper turns red in acidic medium. Red litmus paper turns blue in basic medium. In short, if you want to remember, we can write it as ABR. What is A? A is acid that turns blue to red. B is here blue and R is red. Litmus is a kind of solution that has been extracted from the lichen plant. It is Thallophyta plant category which originates from the lichen plant. So litmus has been extracted from lichen. Litmus has a natural color, that is a purple color, purple in a neutral medium, when it is neither in contact with acid nor in contact with base. It will show purple color. But as soon as it comes in contact with acid, it turns red. As soon as it comes in contact with base, it turns blue. In this way, litmus is very widely used in the form of solution in the laboratory and also in the form of paper. Now we will talk about second natural indicator, that is turmeric. The stain of turmeric which is on the cloth is of yellow color. Just like we put in soap water, yellow color converts to red color. The stain of turmeric is applied on the clothes, so it is in yellow color. Have you ever looked carefully? As soon as we put cloth in the soap water, the yellow color is converted to red. We know that soap is a basic medium. Turmeric in basic medium will be red in color. As soon as they rinse, they back in yellow color. And the next one is red cabbage in acidic and basic medium. In acid it show red color, in base it show green color. The next one, hydrangea. It is a flower petals. In acid and base, in acidic medium it remains its color, no change in the color, but in base its color changes to pink color. Come to the synthetic indicators. Synthetic indicators, here we are considering two types. One is a phenolphthalein, another one is methyl orange. Phenolphthalein in acidic and basic medium. In acid it show colorless, in base it show pink in color. Methyl orange in acid and in base. In acid it show red in color and in base yellow color. Now come to the third indicator, that is olfactory indicator. It is a special indicator. Olfactory indicators are those indicators which are related to sense of smell or odor. Smell or odor has the same meaning. Let's see what types of olfactory indicators are there. So here we are considering onion, vanilla essence, clove oil essence. Smell. First let's see onion. Onion smell in acid and base. In acid, onion smell you can see no change in smell, but in base the smell changes. In the same way, vanilla essence if you take in acid and base, in acid it smell no change in the smell, there is no change, but in the base the smell of vanilla is changed. The same way clove oil, in acid and base, in acid no change in smell, but in base smell changes. I hope students you must have liked this video. If so, please like this video and share it with all your friends. Tell us how you like this video by writing it in comment box. And if you are not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to MBK Study channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any of the video that follows. Thank you.